A quick breaking update. In fact, we are learning that the NEET PG exam will be now conducted on August the 11th in 2 shifts. Do remember earlier it was scheduled for June the 23rd, but it got postponed on June the 22nd, just few hours before the exam. You would recall we had heard not just the president speaking about the fairness in exams, even the Prime Minister saying that he is standing with the students time and again. The government has said that we are trying to make this a foolproof system. So we are learning now that the NEET PG exam will be conducted on August the 11th. This is the new date that has been announced. Earlier it was scheduled for June the 23rd, but got postponed on June the 22nd. Akanksha is on the phone line. She's getting us more details. Akanksha, what are we hearing?
Absolutely. See, NEET PG examination will now be conducted on August 11th in 2 shifts. Remember, it was postponed by the NDE just few hours before it was to take place on June 23rd. On June 22nd, at around 10 o'clock, it was in fact cancelled, and it was said that it was the decision was in fact taken in the best interest of the students, and it was basically also said that the recent incidents of allegations against the integrity of certain competitive examination, Health Ministry has in fact decided to conduct a thorough assessment of the process of NEET UG examination, and that is why it was cancelled on, in fact postponed on June 22nd. It was to take place 10 hours later, that is on June 23rd. So few hours before that it was postponed, but now this is a relief for the students. This examination will now be conducted on August 11th in 2 shifts.
All right. I think that's again an important news that has just come in, Akanksha, because I do realize that over the last few hours, apparently, there were a lot of fake circulars that were also being circulated on the social media. We are also seeing the agencies saying that do not go by any rumors. We are in the process of announcing a new date, and that is exactly what has happened now.
Well, absolutely. And now this is sort of a relief for the medical students. NEET PG is conducted for the admission into the postgraduate courses for the people who want to, for in fact, the doctor who want to do the masters. For them, this examination is conducted, and last time it was postponed just few hours before that. And we heard the reactions from people who are going to, in fact, write these examinations. They were quite irked by this postponement, but now this is a relief for them. In next month, this examination will be conducted, and this is a relief for the
Okay, Akanksha, this is again for information's sake. Is the format changing? Anything changing about the exam, the way it's going to be conducted, considering that there has to be, some kind of groundwork? I'm sure that has been done by different departments responsible for the exam to ensure that there is absolutely no scope of any leak whatsoever. Okay, I think we've just lost our colleague Akanksha there on the phone line. We'll try to get her back. But this is an important update that has come in. Do remember the NEET PG exam that is usually, under the Health Ministry. This is also for all those students who've finished their MBBS, sitting for the postgraduate examination for different government colleges and private ones in the country. And this exam earlier that was scheduled for June the 23rd got postponed on June the 22nd. And then the government had actually said that they want to really ensure that the exam is foolproof. There were some reports indicating that possibly the paper got leaked on the dark web. To ensure that nothing like that happens, to ensure that there is no chaos, there is no confusion, you had the NEET PG now that was to be conducted on 23rd now. There are new dates on your screens. It's going to be held on August the 11th in 2 shifts. Akanksha is back with us, and she's been tracking that entire story. Akanksha, is there absolutely any word on the format that changes? Does that remain the same? Any more information that the eligible students need to keep in mind for August the 11th when the exam happens?
Well, Deepthi, the information that we're getting right now, as per the National Board of Examination, is that this exam will now be conducted on August 11 in 2 shifts. What will be the mode of examination? Something that remains to be seen, but definitely a relief for the medical students. This exam will be conducted. In fact, last month it was cancelled, and that is when Health Ministry has said that the decision has been taken as a precautionary measure, because before that there was a need NEET UG and also UGC NET. So as a precautionary measure, just 10 hours before this exam was to take place, it was cancelled by the National Board of Examination. But now new dates have come. It remains to be seen what will be the mode of examination, but it will take place in 2 shifts is what we're getting to know. That time Health Ministry has said that they regret the inconvenience that was caused to the students, and this was taken in best interest of the students. It was to take place on June 23rd. So that time we heard the reactions from the medical students who were to take this exam. They said that they'd already travelled so much and they had come to the cities to give this examination, and they face a lot of inconvenience because of the postponement. So on August 11th, now this exam will take place in 2 shifts. This is what the notice by the National Board of Examination clearly states.
Absolutely. Akanksha, for the moment, thank you so much for getting us the latest. And we also must tell our viewers that the National Board of Examination at its website has put out more details, and this is exactly and only where students can pick out more information. And do remember, like the agency also said, do not go by any fake rumors. Only the official website has all details of that big exam. For the moment, let's switch our gears and put our focus